Hey, I'm Wishy Washy, and this month we're drawing people's dogs like Kawaii characters. Now, the next pupperino on this list I saw recently had a birthday. I'm talking about you, Qettras. Alright, let's go draw. Let's get loud, let's get loud. No idea why that song's stuck in my head. We definitely need to make sure we have a little party hat going on here. Cause it's your birthday. Okay, I think this is the base we're gonna use, and then I'll make it look like Qettras by the coloring. Alright, let's go. Oh, Qettras, there we go. I love it. Happy birthday. Alright, leave a comment. Let me know what dog y'all want me to draw next. And if it's your first time here, make sure to hit that follow button. Bye.